Hello and welcome friends, how are you? Today we are going to do the unboxing and review of Vivo V9 smartphone. It was launched in March 2018. The phone comes with a 6.3-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 2280 by 1080p. Vivo V9 price in India is somewhat around 16-17,000. The Vivo V9 is powered by a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with a 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be further expanded to 256 GB via micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Vivo V9 packs a 16 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary camera on the rear and a 24 megapixel front shooting camera or the selfie camera. The Vivo V9 runs Android 8.1 and powered by a 3260, that is 3260 mAh non-removable battery, and the Vivo V9 is a dual SIM GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. So let's do the unboxing of the phone. This is the Vivo V9 smartphone and it is having the top-notch type style, and in the box we are seeing that all the features are mentioned like the rear dual camera, the processor and the selfie camera. Apart from that, it is mentioning the price of the phone and the build year. This is the phone structure mentioned on the top of the smartphone box. The box is quite regular smartphone box and there's no special thing about this box, and it is quite, I will say, not that impactful and a normal box. And now see what's inside this, and we are seeing that there is a back cover and there's this user manual guide along with that SIM card ejector pin, which is quite sexy, but this user manual is, as usual, is useless. And this back cover is to protect your phone from damage, and also it is transparent to maintain the beauty of the phone. This is the IMEI details of the phone, and this is the masterpiece, that is the phone of Vivo V9. Yeah, it is having that fingerprint sensor on the back, and apart from that Vivo V9 logo, and we are seeing that this phone is, and there is the charging cable, and it is quite a normal size cable. This is the earphone, which is quite sexy, and there's the charger, which is quite ugly, I have to say. And the disappointing thing is that they haven't provided you the C-type charger. Now let's start it. It is having that Fun Touch OS on the top of the Android OS. Let's configure the device and let's see how this works. Apart from that, this top notch is quite attractive looking, and this phone will give you a feeling that it is a build of ceramic or something, but I'm feeling that it is made up of some hard coated plastic. Look into the phone. This OS is quite resembling to that Apple OS, which is TRP of Vivo. Their OS is quite easy to use and a great experience for the users. The touch is responding like anything, and I'm deleting some apps which are unnecessary for me. As usual, at the end of the video I have posted the photos taken by the camera of this phone, the rear camera,